Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Today I'll discuss another topic of Excel that is called AND logical function, which we'll be using along with the if function. Let's see how we are going to follow it. So all of you can share, you can see my screen. So first of all, you see the data available out here. We are having a data of first quarter sales detail. In the column A, we are having a list of employee, name of employee. They have done certain sales performance in the month of Jan, Feb, as well as March. Now we have to set the remark for every employee which they have done the sell for the first quarter. So let's say I'm going to mark out here as a remark. Now I have to write down a formula out here. So before writing a formula, let's suppose some sort of condition. So my condition is, if I wanted to remark it as target achieved, so when I can understand, when I can make the people remarked as target achieved based on three conditions. The first condition is, if the employee has done sales greater than $3,000, as well as employee has done sales greater than $6,000 in Feb, and employee has done sales greater than 6,000 in the month of March. That means when I can say employee has achieved the target. So for that, three condition has to be achieved by the employee. The first one is, employee sell of January has to be greater than equal to 3,000, as well as for February and March month, their sell amount has to be greater than 6,000 rupees. If it is like so, they can be marked as target achieved. Otherwise, we will say target not achieved. So let us write a formula out here. So obviously we have to test the condition. For that, we'll be making use of if. So I'll be doing the if condition. As everybody knows, if has three blocks. Logical test is the first block. Second block, if the logical test passed true, then the true block will be executed out. That is called the second block. Otherwise, the third block will be executed out. Now, as a part of if, whatever condition I'm going to write, so that condition consists of three different subconditions. So again, I reiterate my condition. As a condition of if, my three conditions are there. If the employee has done more than $3,000 sell in the month of Jan, as well as more than $6,000 in the month of March, as well as Feb, then only they can be treated as target achieved person. So what I can do is, for that, all three conditions need to be satisfied. For that only we are going to have AND logical operator. So this is the AND function, not logical operator. And so we can say that this is the AND logical function. Then I can open the bracket and I can have my first condition to be written out here. So I'm writing B3. If it is greater than 3,000, as well as if C3 is greater than $6,000, as well as if the B3 is greater than $6,000, then only I can say this particular person has achieved the target. So far, whatever I have written, we have written only condition part for if. And as a condition, since we have to satisfy three conditions, so I have used AND logical function. Now, I'll be writing a comma for the if. For the if, the condition is fine. Now, I have to say out here, if these all three conditions are going to be met, we'll say target achieved. So what I can do is, I can write down here target achieved. Clear? If it is not, then as a else part, we are going to write target not achieved. And then I will be closing this bracket for if. If I hit the enter key, we are getting output here as target not achieved. Why? This first employee has done wonderful sell in the month of March, but they have not achieved the sell in Fab, because my perception was if the employee has done greater than 6,000 sell in Fab, as well as greater than $6,000 sell in the month of March, then only they will be treated as they have achieved the target. Now we have to copy this formula. I'll be copying a formula for all rest of the employee, and we will see who are the people who has achieved the target. Now you can notice out here, few people have achieved the target. Like, why this person has achieved the target? Now you can compare with our condition. This GN has done wonderful sell in the month of Jan, because my condition was the January month sell has to be greater than 3,000, so he has achieved. If for the February and March, we have done the condition as the sell amount has to be greater than $6,000. So obviously they have achieved. That is why we are saying that target achieved. Similarly, we are having a remark for each and every employee. So in this way, you can make use of AND logical function as a part of if function. Hope you must have understood this concept, and this concept is going to be useful all across the places whenever you are going to work with this. So friends, this is all about for a particular day. Tomorrow again I will meet you with some another interesting topic of Excel. Till then, keep revising, keep practicing, and I'll see you tomorrow on the same channel. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching this particular video. If you have liked it, please press the like button. Thank you very much for watching it again.